What do you sit on, sleep on, and brush your teeth with?
Sit on, sleep on, and brush your teeth with. Your foot.
Welcome my people, you done there boy Jnel. Back at it again with the next episode of Trick Question. Watch now episode 13. People, look on the background, guess what we there? What we there? What we there? What we there? If you who say more be on the wrong. We there at Falmouth right now. You get to me and say, watch now, the last time I forward at Falmouth, 6 years ago. 2019. Oh, you don't believe me? Look on the clip here. Yeah, peeps, welcome to episode 22 of the questions and right now we're in Falmouth. So you see all of the Falmouthians them, when you can stop cuss way. Alright, so remember that video there, though. A long time. What? What you mean by me ear? What happened to me ear? Them time me ear it short, yeah, nothing wrong with that, you see me? But watch now, episode 13, Falmouth Trelawny. You get to me and say, and where do you put in the work? Where do you put in the work? Let's go. Eh? What you say?
I'm not hearing nothing from the mic.
Oh, you're not hearing nothing?
No.
No, man, you need to depend on speaker. Okay. Camera right I go to.
Okay.
Alright, first thing, my boss, give me a name.
Okay, Black. Ian Black.
Ian Black.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you know the sax bars there can do it, man. Sax bar foot and sax bar hand. Rasta man, I wear the sax them fit them. Checking at the street if I know sax bars are brand. The sax tuner I got the #1. If you can't find the bars, just check a Falmouth. Don't you lot, sax are still have enough. We have sax for the Steve and sax for the chief. Nobody come here and say, boy, with your teeth. Me have sax if I bleach, you a bleach. Yeah. For the school as a tin sax I do it. Yeah. The ball of them cartoon them a bit. Color, it a run down straight. If you think I go check Salmon Street. Sax bars have to sell laugh all it.
Naja.
19.
Mm-hmm.
You can follow me on TikTok, 19 President, and you see the American flag beside that. So that's 19 President, all spelled out. 19 President.
Fiona. Marian.
Michael.
Yes.
Fully 6K, you know, no joke, right? Out of Trelawny, you know, one bad 6K, you know.
Yeah. So we
Believe
see
no?
artist.
Yeah, man, one big bad artist, man, you see it?
Run something make we hear now, man.
We see a God and time, get to youth if I dip online. Car with the money Tarzan, we got money a ship, come a yard man. My friend them in a Nike and Jordan. Yo, 6 get the iPhone, get the laptop. All of my friend them a real top chopper. Roll out the Benzo, it be my half follow. Me na run back again, no a Dixie better swallow. YPC, carry money can done. Any boy this 6 half lie down. One.
Yeah. What you say? Ready for your question now, my boss?
Okay. Can I question you ready for now?
So I could read the man, if you don't know, just say you don't know, man. What you say?
No, we don't know regularly, you know, because we are artists, believe in the people.
Alright, so you say I hate that, you don't answer no question.
No question today.
You don't know it's wildlife, you know what I mean? And we was singing like, Jnel TV, coming.
Yeah.
Big up here.
Yeah, people, so when you know that, you know, so the man I watch a long time. You get to me, I say?
David. Yeah.
My name is National Water Prakazija. I broke up friendship with myself and people.
You know, when you say you have a tune,
Yeah.
run something with you, go on.
Guess what I go on? My mother sing a market with a red bag. When me go and buy red peas and salad. Out of the market where I man a trot. They call me national out of the market where I man a trot. Who me book upon? 2 blue bag. One take come here and make him see in my bag. No blue bag, you must rock cloth mad. Go and chat the one come through in my bag.
Adrian.
You name Countryman.
Countryman.
Yeah.
What make them call you, so?
Come a Countryman. One street deal.
Straight deal.
One and only street deal.
Alright, you ready for your first question?
Yeah.
Alright, the first one, right?
Yeah.
What's 6 inches long, 2 inches wide, and everybody love it?
Okay, that come from the boy.
Eh?
From the boy.
Come from the boy?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
From the man.
Come from the man?
Yeah.
So what the answer? What come from the man?
Penis.
Penis.
Yes, sir.
Why you say penis?
You can't my feet that come from the man. No, yes, come.
What's 6 inches long, 2 inches wide, and everybody love it?
Mash it.
Eh?
Mash it.
Mash it.
Yeah.
How am I say that?
Can't you everybody have to work with it?
Yeah.
Alright, what's 6 inches long and
2 inches wide, and everybody love it.
TV?
What's 6 inches long, 2 inches wide, and everybody love it?
6 inches long, 2 inches long, everybody love it. Me no know.
Eh?
Me no know. Tell me.
You don't know.
Yeah.
So you want me to give the answer?
Yeah.
No money, man.
Money. Okay, I never calculate it because, you know,
Yeah.
I know if the girls love it, then because I tell, say, yeah, but yeah.
6 inches long.
2 inches wide, and everybody love it.
No, hold on. You have to think deep on this question. Yeah.
And everybody love it.
I don't know.
Eh?
Bridge?
Eh?
A bridge?
Bridge?
Yeah.
What's 6 inches long, 2 inches wide, and everybody love it?
I know the one there, swear. No, I don't know the one there.
You know that one? What is 6 inches long, 2 inches wide, and everybody love it?
Well, I can understand it. I understand it. I have to tell me that.
What's 6 inches long, 2 inches wide, and everybody love it?
6 inches wide.
No, 6 inches long, 2 inches wide, and everybody love it.
That can be a wood, you know. Right now, I have that length about the inches what you're looking for. So therefore, I can tell us it can be a 2 before, 2 wide.
Yeah.
That can't proceed, you know.
Yeah. Where you say, my boss, what's 6 inches long, 2 inches wide, and everybody love it?
No more pussy, man. Robert Dappy, you must pussy.
No, listen to me, pussy, or that. Listen to me, pussy. Brother, listen to me, you're excited according to pussy. Pussy no carry cocky.
Banana?
6 inches long, 2 inches wide, and everybody love it. Pizza?
Second one, next one, right? Yeah. Count to 5 for me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many numbers in the alphabet?
36.
Count to 5 for me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many numbers are in the alphabet?
None.
Why you say that?
No number in the alphabet. Which number in the alphabet?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many numbers are in the alphabet?
No numbers are in the alphabet.
Yeah, go on, good man. Count to 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many numbers are in the alphabet?
Whoa. Shit, it ain't on my head and it not come out. About 26. 25.
Bullshit. Bullshit. Bullshit.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many numbers are in the alphabet?
26.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many numbers are in the alphabet?
12.
Eh?
20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many numbers are in the alphabet?
Much answer?
How much numbers in the alphabet?
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many numbers are in the alphabet?
Oh, 24.
I don't know if the leg and mighty true.
You know the answer? There's no number in the alphabet.
Oh, take it out. Me shame. Me shame. Me shame. I question they ask me that to focus on the question. Me shame, man.
What do you sit on, sleep on, and brush your teeth with? Food. Food. What do you sit on, sleep on, and brush your teeth with?
Sit on, sleep on, and brush your teeth with. Your foot.
What do you sit on, sleep on, and brush your teeth with?
Your hand. Your hand.
What do you sit on, sleep on, and brush your teeth with?
You sit and sleep and use brush your teeth.
Yes, my general, big up. What you say? What do you sit on, sleep on, and brush your teeth with?
You sit and sleep and brush your teeth with.
What do you sit on, sleep on, and brush your teeth with?
Sit on.
Yeah. Sleep on and brush your teeth with.
Water. Water.
And brush your teeth with.
Sleep on, sit on, brush your teeth. Water. Water.
What do you sit on, sleep on, and brush your teeth with?
Sleep on a bed. I brush my teeth with toothpaste and toothbrush. Yeah, and water.
What do you sit on, sleep on, and brush your teeth with?
You sit on, sleep on, brush your teeth on.
Brush your teeth with.
With.
What do you sit on, sleep on, and brush your teeth with?
Me don't know that one there.
You don't know that one?
No, me don't know that one there.
I'm going to give you an answer there.
Yeah.
Sit on a chair, sleep on a bed, brush your teeth with toothbrush.
Someone should give you 3 separate answers there.
Yo, squad, wagwan people, yo, for your first time I watch, you see me, make sure you click the subscribe button, you know what I mean, and click the like button, you know what I mean. I don't know, say you're a Falmouth with the Trelawny. You get to me and say, alright, now, I always a beg enough to click the like button, you see me, I wanna now click the like button. You get to me and say, alright, so the last episode of my job, you get to me and say, me beg you to click the like button, and you did click the like button. All me know so to click the like button is because YouTube actually send me notification and say, yo, that video you get more likes than usual. You understand? So it go certain places. You know what I mean? So when you believe me, watch this. Look on the screenshot here. This is the same video from downtown. You see me? This is what they say. So you see, say, uno liking the video actually work. I wanna love, you know, and support Jnel. You get to me, I say, I really love and appreciate each and every one of uno. You understand? But at the end of the day, you want to click the like button so the video get the right reach. And once the video get the right reach, you understand, you don't know a motivation this will work even harder. You get me? Yes, I want big up, I want to take a minute to big up everybody who support the thing. You see me, big up all of the peace officers, them we always a watch. You see me, we always see me up on the road and say, yo, me and my baby mother always a watch you, me and my wife always a watch you. You get to me, I say, big up on yourself. And next thing, people, remember, if you don't know, see me on the main channel, I have a next channel. I have a vlog channel where we do like vlogs, and we got parties, we got events, we got river, whole vibe, and them look at something there. You understand? So subscribe to my vlog channel also. You get me? Thank you guys for watching. Enough love, enough respect. Please click the like button. You see me? You don't know your boy Jnel, and as usual, love you. You see me? Love you like for real. As usual, I'm out.